And if you're talking shit about Pavement Princess setups, you're probably gonna watch this whole video because that was impressive.
So you guys pretty consistently in the comments talk to us about the setups in which we like to put on our trucks. Calling them pavement princesses, calling them useless, they only stay on the pavement, they'll never make it off the road. So we're gonna prove you wrong today. So we had Brent, our old shop tech, Booby. I don't know if you guys know who he is, but I'm sure you'll meet him today. So he has an S10 buggy that is an absolute off-roading machine. The goal is not off-roading, it's to prove to you that stance setups, stancy boys, can hold up to the test. So what Brent's gonna do is we're gonna put some 22x14 Lincolns on some Toyo Proxes.
Putting those
Interesting.
on that.
And we're gonna take it out to his buddy, has like a gravel pit kind of area. I mean, it's a ridiculous little playground for him. And we're gonna prove that a stancy boy setup can do things off-road. It's your choice. Do you wanna do it or don't you wanna do it? But I gotta go barbecue for tomorrow's event for the team. So I'm gonna go cook 60 pounds of chicken and pulled pork. And I'm gonna send Junior, Booby, and the videographer out to go prove you guys wrong. So all you guys that have stancy boy setups, you can then use this video to tease your friends and say, ha, 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 if I wanted to, I could. You know what I'm saying? Sick. Baker, he's going on that truck over there. Oh, they're going on the Baker.
Brent's gonna end up leaving these on and take her to the bar tonight.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
This reminds me of when people put street tires on their side-by-side because now they're street legal.
Yeah.
Play it wrong, that's cool for
CO.
Yeah.
And my truck completely shut.
Yeah, 31.
No way.
My trans said, nah.
Really?
Yeah, I'm scared.
All right, what do you think we should do first to kind of ease into this and see what these can do?
We got a little small hill climb over there.
So off this trail here and over that way?
Yeah, just off to the right.
Okay.
And then these two hills here, we can just kind of get the feel for it, and then we can, like you said, ease our way into it and see what happens.
Let's do it.
All right.
Have a close course, do you want to attempt at home?
Right?
Get buckled in. Seatbelts so we can be safe. They're wrecked already?
Oh, they're scratched. Like, they're all beat to shit.
So, did up a couple of hills. You said it took a little bit more than you thought with the street tires on?
Yes, it's definitely a lot harder than 43s and 5 PSI versus 32s and about 90 PSI to keep them on the bead.
But we did it.
That's doable.
We're a little bit scratched, Chuck. Here, come here and look at this. So, what's next?
We could try the rock pile over here.
Okay.
See what happens, and we're here for the day, not the week.
Right.
So
I'm impressed that it did that though. Like everything you just did was kind of putting it through the ringer right off the bat.
Yeah, definitely with these on, momentum is your friend. That's for sure. You got to be moving.
Sweet, let's go through the rock pile.
All right. I don't know how it's gonna work because I have definitely don't have the ground clearance I did with the 43s, but Booby. Sold. I'm gonna buy a set.
So loud.
And we're done.
All right, so now that we have climbed up hills, I have hopped in here. Junior's gonna take a break. We're gonna go haul some shit around.
We're gonna try and tow a log, see what happens.
Yeah, hook this thing up to a log, do some burnouts, do some drifts, do some more fun stuff, and see if we can ruin these things. Let's go.
All right.
Dude who owns this property, so there's some wet sandy mud over there that he doesn't think this thing can go through.
Why that's supposed to be a donkey dog car? What the hell you put them on there for?
So we're gonna see if I can get through it.
Yeah. I didn't think we were gonna go a lot of places, and I'm like, if you're in the rocks with your mall crawler, you'll make it.
And that's kind of what I think too. Like some of those spots that you were in, obviously this thing's built to get out of, some of the mud holes and stuff like that. That's what I was saying in the GoPro. But like a normal truck would probably be stuck in those same situations because they don't have the same gearing and stuff that you have.
You just need more wheel speed. That's all it is. Just more power, more wheel speed.
Overall, it was crazy to see what these things went through, and that these are wheels and tires that you can put on any vehicle on the street and drive around and be capable of exactly what we did with no issues. So more or less. Anyways,
we made it.
So again, they chose the fat guy to cook for the company. No, I'm just kidding. I think we talked kind of in the last video. I've been playing around in some national barbecue and stuff like that since I was a little kid. So when we have company cookouts and company events, generally they have me and my smoker show up, do some barbecue. Since 6 o'clock yesterday, when I left camera, after I insured the buggy, and I hope those guys had an awesome time out there, but I've put down 35 pounds of pork, we got 25 pounds of chicken on there, we got 18 pounds of mac and cheese, 2 different kinds, Nashville hot plus barbecue. But although I do have to continue to work while I'm doing this, so I'm kind of multitasking back and forth, and I'm super interested to find out what the hell is going on with the Ram Charger, why this thing's not built yet, so I want to go talk to Banker and find out what the hell he's got going on. There's a bee in my wood. Oh! Jeepers. Apron. What's going on with Gilbert Brown's Charger? Ram Charger? Whatever it is.
As of Monday morning, everything's at powder coat. I don't have an ETA on getting it back, but I would imagine early next week.
Are we gonna have it done by the 18th?
I'm not too concerned about that.
Okay.
That's like 3 weeks yet.
I want to give it to him at the Packers' first home game.
Who are we playing?
The Bears. We're playing the worst team in the NFL.
Oh, come on now. Don't do that to the Lions.
Hey, f you.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, we actually have Lion fans that work here?
Oh yeah, dude.
We're good for the 18th.
Yeah, I could probably
Wheels
honestly...
and tires here? We're good there?
Wheels and tires are not here physically.
Junior, Gilbert Brown's Wheels and Tires in Wrightstown?
I didn't order them.
Who did? Nate, do you know if Gilbert Brown's Wheels and Tires are in Wrightstown?
Let me check.
Oh, it was Nate.
Ryan, Gilbert Brown's Wheels and Tires, is it Wrightstown?
Yeah, you ordered them, right?
Yeah.
Are they there?
Yeah.
Hey,
Along with the 18
to be fair,
that you ordered.
all the wheels and tires Ryan ordered are here in the showroom.
What did we get for them?
Oh, you know. This is a surprise. I don't want to tell everybody beforehand.
You did good. I like it. Yeah. Okay.
Have you gotten John for next week while we're on the subject?
He's off that Wednesday and Thursday. He's dropping it off.
He's dropping.
I don't know. Let's call him. Hey, what days are you off next week? Yeah. He's off Monday, Tuesday, and the weekend. So you can come in Tuesday. You can come in Tuesday to help Anchor. He can come in Tuesday to help you. Does that help?
That'll help.
Are you off today too?
Yeah.
What?
You didn't hit me up and I forgot.
I scheduled you, John.
You didn't schedule it?
You were scheduled. You were on the schedule. I'm looking at it right now. It said you were wide open.
Right.
What? What are you doing?
Nothing?
All right, come eat some barbecue. We're about to have a party
Where?
at CO, 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Yeah, we'll see you at the shop.
At the shop?
Yes, at the shop. Yeah, I have 35 pounds of pork on, 20 pounds of chicken, 18 pounds of mac and cheese.
What the fuck is going on?
Well, we're just celebrating to celebrate. All right, we'll see you in a couple minutes.
A couple minutes.
Yeah, bye. All right. John's down to help you on Tuesday. I'm gonna go back to playing with my meat.
wrong with it.
Getting a
Ain't
middle.
got no sidewall.
Yeah, I know what's wrong with it.
Lawson, lay down in front of it and point up. Yeah.
Lay it down so I can set my balls on
Lay
your
down
face.
here.
He knows all.
I wouldn't be getting back up if I laid down, so.
You know, I'm like you with peer pressure.
All you have to do is be like, hey,
Point up,
do
right
that.
Here. Yes. Okay, look.
All right.